Good night. Mm, Good night. I'm going to make the video of activity 4. My name is Natalia Julia Rodriguez Ruiz. I am 29 years old. I I was born in Bogota, Colombia. I live with my parents and I study technology program in pharmacy regency at UNAT. I like horror movies. I like reading and listening to music. I don't like eating meat because I've been vegetarian for 9 years. I visited Melgar last year. It is located in Tolima. This is very beautiful. The weather is hot and we were my parents for vacations and days we were 8 days for vacation and we were 8 days. On Wednesday we went to Piscilago and every night he was in the pool and we usually had lunch and the marketplace. I go like I would like to travel to Canada mid next year in Jan. I would like to travel to Canada next year in Jan because I want to know more about this country, but has excellent professional opportunities.